Seeing the big picture. Why do we often fail to see the big picture? We fail because we run on autopilot and we don't have adequate space to listen, not just to ourselves, but to others around us. As the title reflects, finding the space to lead and having that space is key to becoming a mindful leader and opens you up to having the ability to see the big picture. The story about Nathan in the book stood out to me because of the one comment he made. What happens if I just stay curious? That curiosity can lead to the discovery of many things that you probably would have never noticed before. For me personally, I tend to not pay attention to things that I feel don't affect me directly. But staying curious and paying attention to everything makes you very versatile and makes you able to conform to any request that you may be asked to do in your work life. What are your priorities? This was the hardest question for me to address. I want to be successful in my job and in my home life. I want to teach my children the value of hard work and the sacrifices that it takes to be the best person that you can be at home and in your career. I want to be valued at my job, and I want to know that what I contribute means something. And I want to be able to practice compassion better than I currently do. Compassion is a powerful force, and it opens me up to making more informed choices in my daily grind. I like the compassion area of being a mindful leader, but I practice every day on becoming better. What is your opportunity to make a difference, and how are you accomplishing this? I can make a difference through my work. I help businesses with their workforce needs so they can be successful. That's a personal sense of accomplishment for me. Being able to see the big picture and being a forward thinker helps me accomplish this. Forward thinking means that you're able to see way down the line the end result of a decision that you make right now. As Martirano says, we all want to know that what we do really matters to someone or to something bigger than ourselves. Do you believe that you have reached your full potential? Why or why not? I have not reached my full potential because I have just found my place in the world with my new job. Catherine Hurst said it best, if you work hard and try your best, you can reach your full potential no matter the circumstances. All you need to be able to reach your full potential is the willpower to do so, the motivation, and the belief in yourself. How great can you be, and how do you intend to get there? What's holding you back? I have the potential to be the best at my chosen career path. I can get there by practicing the 4 fundamentals of leadership excellence, which is focus, clarity, creativity, and compassion. What is holding me back? Personally, I am my own worst enemy, and failure is not an option. But I do fail, and it affects me tremendously. My unrealistic expectations tend to hold me back in most cases. This class has made me focus on my weaknesses that have prevented me from becoming a mindful leader, and I want to continue to build those weaknesses into strengths.